Welcome back to another deep dive, everyone. Today, we will uncover the groundbreaking impact of experiential learning through XR technology. EON Reality has just released a white paper showing that immersive learning is 4 times faster than traditional methods. But why does that matter?
It matters because this isn't just about better test scores. It's about changing the way we learn, train, and retain information. The white paper highlights AI-driven tools that let anyone, not just developers, create immersive learning experiences in hours instead of months.
That's a game changer. Imagine medical students performing virtual surgeries before they ever touch a real patient, or manufacturing trainees reducing operator errors by 72% with XR-based guidance.
And let's not forget accessibility. 95% of EON's users access content via mobile devices. That means learning in remote villages, underserved schools, and even offline environments, all powered by AI and XR.
The future roadmap is even more exciting. Text to 3D conversion, small language models that work offline, and AI that understands context in real time.
If you want to see how XR is revolutionizing education, download the full white paper on EON Reality's website.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive, everyone. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.